Apps that claim to give free Robux don't actually generate Robux directly. They usually reward you with points, gift cards, or cashback, which are then converted into Roblox gift cards or redeemed through official payment methods. By the end of this, you'll know 7 types of apps that people use to earn Robux through gameplay rewards, how those systems actually work, and what usually blocks users from ever reaching a real payout. Start with how Robux earning apps actually function. Robux itself only comes from Roblox's official system, so outside apps can only help you earn gift cards or cash equivalents that you later convert into Robux. So you're earning money first, not Robux directly. First category is game reward apps with point systems. These apps give you points for playing mobile games, and those points can be exchanged for gift cards that can be used to buy Robux. Second category is survey and task apps with game offers. These platforms reward you for completing game installs and in-game milestones, which builds a balance that can be redeemed later. Third category is cashback apps with gaming promotions. Some apps give cashback rewards for gaming-related purchases or activities, and those rewards can be converted into gift cards. Fourth category is reward platforms with referral bonuses. These apps let you earn extra points when people you invite complete gaming tasks or offers. Fifth category is hybrid reward apps. These apps combine surveys, games, and offers, so Robux-related earnings depend on mixing different types of activities. Sixth category is milestone-based game reward apps. These apps pay based on reaching levels or completing objectives inside featured games, which increases your redeemable balance over time. Seventh category is ad-supported reward gaming apps. These apps reward you for engaging with ads or sponsored content during gameplay sessions. Now here's what actually decides whether you ever get enough for Robux. Minimum payout thresholds are the biggest barrier. You often need a large number of points before you can redeem anything meaningful. Offer availability also matters. If there aren't enough active game tasks, earnings slow down immediately. And conversion rates matter most. Not all points convert evenly into gift cards, so the time to Robux can vary widely. So earning Robux through apps is less about free Robux, and more about completing enough rewarded actions to build redeemable value. Summary: apps that claim to earn free Robux actually reward you with points or cash equivalents. Real progress depends on payout thresholds, offer availability, and conversion rates. The system matters more than the promise. Next step: try one reward app and track how many completed game offers it takes before you can redeem your first Roblox gift card. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.